Another great oil that just fell in my hands. This one, you guys, is not only for your hair. I'm gonna put it on the eyebrows, keep making those eyebrows thicker, and the lashes. They call it ARHGOAT, kind of unique name. For scalp hair essential oils, repairs the scalp, protects hair roots, anti-frizzing, and promotes hair growth. So if you're looking to growing your hair fast, overnight, I mean thick, like thick, all 100% natural ingredients, nice size of a bottle. I love when they put things in a glass bottle, so plus. Very organic smell. No added fragrance. No added fillers. You get 100% natural, like tea trees in this, you guys. Aloe vera's in this. We even have a shell from a pecan in this. I mean, cayenne pepper. Like, they're going in. This is it. Now, it's saying put it in your hair 2 to 3 times a day, like for the best results right there. Made with 100% all natural oils. So I also received this massaging brush that you can stimulate your scalp for hair growth, you guys. Look at that, with a nice grip. Because the other one I had is battery, and the battery is always going out. So I like that this one is just a plain one that you're just gonna do it by yourself. So let's massage. Let's drip, 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 massage, massage, and get into the new growth. Healthy hair, get rid of some of this frizz, and let it get thicker. This is 100% all natural hair. It is my hair, and you can subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Drip, 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 drip the miracle oil all on there for stimulating hair growth. And get in there. Ooh. Oh, the girl needs those edges. All right, so they actually have something for my lashes in there and for my eyebrow. You don't need too much. So if you could take time applying the oils on your scalp 2 to 3 times, you're gonna get some hair growth. You're gonna be stimulating your hair follicles for your hair to grow. And it's up to you to keep the retention of your hair. That means don't damage the ends, because I'm helping you to grow your hair. And now it's up to you to keep the retention of the oldest hair on your head. You know what I'm saying? So that's why you need to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned to more wonderful tips and tricks to help y'all grow your natural hair. Yeah, for real.